Meghalaya is a northeastern state of India which belongs to the Seven Sisters. It is ranked as 24th state in terms of area in the country with total area of 22,430 km square and 22nd in terms of population with a small population of 32,11,400 only. Meghalaya extends between 20° 1' north to 26° 5' north latitude and 84° 5' east to 92° 5' east longitudes. The GSDP or Gross State Domestic Product of Meghalaya reached 0.93 trillion rupees in 2019 to 2020, which equals 5.47 billion US dollars. This GSDP of Meghalaya is seen growing at a rate of 11.3% compounding annually from 2016 to 2019. 80% of Meghalaya's population depends on agriculture, with 10% of total geographical area under cultivation, making fruits and spices a major commodity item in Meghalaya. In 2018 to 2019, Meghalaya produced 331.6 thousand tons of fruits and 74.2 tons of spices. Meghalaya has a sex ratio of 986 females per thousand males and a population density of 132 persons per kilometer square with literacy rate of 75%. People of Meghalaya follow a wide variety of religions, Christianity being in the majority and followed by 74% of the country. Other religions in Meghalaya include Hinduism, which is followed by 11.5% of Meghalaya's population, Islam, followed by 4.4% of the population, and some other religions in particular are followed by less than 1% of the country's population, like Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism.
Meghalaya covers an area of approximately 22,430 square kilometers with a length to breadth ratio of about 3:1. Meghalaya is an upland area formed by the detached block of the Deccan Plateau. Its summit varies in elevation from 4,000 to 6,000 feet, 1,220 to 1,830 meters. The Garo Hills in the west rise abruptly from the Brahmaputra River valley to about 1000 feet or 300 meters and then merge with the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, adjacent highland system that form a single massif of tableland separated by a series of eastward trending ridges. The state comprises of mountainous plateau. It has a length of about 300 kilometers from east to west and a width of 100 kilometers. The total land area of Meghalaya is around 22,429 kilometers. The location of Meghalaya in the northeast makes it a perfect place for retreating. The altitude of Meghalaya ranges from 150 meters to 1961 meters. The height of the central plateau of the Khasi Hills hovers around 1500 meters with the Shillong Peak 1965 meters. The highest point in the plateau, overlooking Shillong town. They are followed by Jaintia Hills in the east. Garo Hills are basically plain with the highest peak rises to the top elevation of about 4,600 feet, that is 1,400 meters. Nokrek Peak having an elevation of 1,500 meters. Meghalaya's location in Eastern Plateau has the impact on its climate too. The maximum temperature during summers is 25 degrees Celsius, while that in winters is 16 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature of Meghalaya during summer is 15 degrees Celsius, while the same in winters is 4 degrees Celsius. The rains drop in between June and September. Hence, the overall climate of Meghalaya is cool, thereby making it a perfect venue for holidaying.
Meghalaya's total land area is 22,720 km square. It covers 41,700 km square as forest. About 70% of the state is forested, of which 99,496 km square is dense primary subtropical forest. The elevation of the plateau ranges between 150 meter to 1,961 meter. The central part of the plateau, comprising the Khasi Hills, has the highest elevation. It has an altitude of 1,961 meter. The highest point in the Garo Khasi Hills is Nokrek Peak with an altitude of 1515 meter. The state has about 1170 kilometer of national highways. The headquarters town of Tura is 323 kilometer from the state capital, and the highest peak is Lam Shailong, which is 1968 meters. The Patkai is the highest point in the Meghalaya. It has an elevation of 3826 meter.
Volume of Meghalaya's river. They are Someshwari River, which has volume approx 6,526 cubic meters, and the second one is Diago River, which has volume about 6,556 cubic meters, and the third one is Idukata River, which has volume about 4,928 cubic centimeters. Now I am going to tell you about the shape of the monuments present in the Meghalaya. The first one is David Scott, which has cube in the base and bottom the conical figure. And the second one is Christian Tower, which has cylindrical base, and at the top of this tower a symbol of Christianity is present. Thank you. Have a nice day.